This ride, by its very nature, creates forces and speeds that may not be acceptable to some persons and cause injury to some riders.
All right. Pretty good. It's gonna be interesting in the rain.
Yes, it is.
I don't think I've ever ridden it in the rain. Yeah, at least it's waterproof.
Yeah, well, that's good.
Must be a single rider.
Another black dog.
All right. Hopefully it doesn't rain too hard before we get on.
Oh,
It's coming down, right? This should be interesting. No, I'll have a document.
drop faster than the rain does.
All right, Falcon's Fury and the rainstorm. At least no lightning.
It's about 30 miles away right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's why they're still running the coasters and stuff.
Yep.
Okay.
They'll probably shut them down for 10 miles or so. 15, 16 to 15.
Yeah. Yeah, Montu might be a little painful right now. Okay. All right. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be interesting.
Falcon's Fury. It's cold rain.
Yeah, we're gonna get a little soaked. It's a water ride. Yes, it's the afternoon rainstorm I've been reading about.
Hopefully it just passes through pretty quick.
Supposedly, at least according to the weather reports.
We went on the cheetah coaster.
Oh,
Somebody
yeah.
puked right before we went.
Oh no!
So they spent 30 minutes cleaning the puke up off the coast.
Oh god!
It's like in a 5-minute line, of course. The first ride that we go on, we have to stand in line for 30 minutes.
They might have to run it to dry it off, because after they clean off that puke.
Yeah. They hosed it down in front of us.
Oh god! Here we go. Oh, there's Quasi. They torn down half of it already, I think. Should be a new coaster in about 2020, I think. Yeah, they're RMCing it. They're converting it to a hybrid. Really? Yeah. It should be a really good coaster once it's all done. Oh yeah, well, they took away one of the turns already on that thing. Oh wow. Oh, elephants! Yes, they look really tiny from up here.
Oh my god!
Here we go. Hope these restraints hold. Well, we fell faster than the rain.
I thought we were going to get all the way down.
That was interesting. We got a screaming person. Yeah, definitely the most unique drop ride in the world, I guess. We did a little click. And now I think. Okay, we go. Alrighty.
Thank you for riding Falcon's Fury and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.